In this video, I'll be sharing how we all got in a great scam about bad habits and how you can get rid of all of them. So first, I have a question. Have you ever felt stuck in bad habits, unable to continue doing what you should do? Just sitting in your chair and playing video games or just mindlessly scrolling through information? But what if I told you that the key to stop doing 99% of your bad habits might be just one little mindset shift? And the crazy part is that for a lot of people it's true. We all claim that we want to be better versions of ourselves, want to be happy and do good habits. But in reality, we continue doing bad habits and procrastinate on good ones. Partly it happens because we constantly get new external desires to go and do good habits. Doing good habits is boring, it's hard. When do I get my free time? And that's the problem. We want to take break from good habits, like after reading, you want to just go and reward yourself with bad habits such as playing video games. And that's a great scam. Because if you think about it for more than a second, it's idiotic. Bad habits are causing harm for us in one or another way. Otherwise they wouldn't be bad. And you still want to reward yourself. It's not a reward, it's a punishment. It's self-harm. So the logical question would be, when do I reward myself? And that's when it gets interesting. A reward is something good for us, right? And what can be better than doing good habits? Learning useful information from reading, getting more mindfulness from meditation, getting insane dopamine hits from cold showers. That's your reward. All that time, your biggest reward was what you were programmed to run from, to rest. So I want you to remember this. Bad habits is self-harm, and good habits is a reward. Since my realization, I always have this on my wall, no cap. So now that you have a new mindset, the biggest milestone is done. If you want to fully get rid of your bad habits and start doing good ones, you only need to make sure that these small 3 requirements are met. So first one is having a good self-esteem. Because if you don't, you can fall like in a coping trap that, oh, I didn't deserve a reward and I will punish myself with bad habits. Nice cope. Have at least okay self-esteem. It will help a lot. Second one is downloading in your brain benefits from your rewards, so good habits. Why meditation is useful, why reading is useful, how cold shower is my reward. You need to understand it clearly. Third one is reasonably to download in your brain bad and harm drawbacks from your punishment, so bad habits. And the best way is to simply write it on paper. But if you made it this far, you already get better than 99% of the people out there. I quit sugar more than a year ago, meaning no soda, no sweets, not even alternative sweeteners. I made the decision quickly but decisively, and only now I start to understand why I never wanted to eat sugar again. It was because I unconsciously used this mindset and downloaded in my brain a lot of information about harm of sugar. So it was a pure logic that sugar is bad for me, I won't eat it again. And I quit, knowing that if I eat it again, it would be self-harm and like punching my head against the wall. I hope you're following, because it's really hard and thin mindset shift. After realizing this mindset and how my brain got scammed, just reading, going to the gym, meditating became effortless because I knew it was my reward and my pleasure for this day. And I put a whole wall of friction towards watching anime by downloading information, how this affects my brain, why this is bad and what I should have done instead of it. And I just stopped watching it and started enjoying my life. By the way, as I said, good self-esteem plays a huge role in this mindset shift. So if you want to know how you can become more confident spending 15 minutes a day, you can watch my previous video exactly on this topic. Thank you for watching and I'll see you there.